brother keeps putting lipstick on my leg.
Who is your little brother?
Oh, my little brother is Potato.
Potato.
His name is Potato.
What is that boy doing there?
Raj!
Showing his
Ants. I want to explore nature.
explore nature. They will
Get
bite
the
you.
bites.
They will bite you.
Not. Soulless name was.
Guys, what did you get?
We got a snake head. Yeah. Also a catfish.
Wow. What you got?
We got the snake head. It looks like a catfish, but it's actually a snake head. Hello.
We're just chilling here.
Yeah. With the mosquitoes.
The mosquitoes.
With a glass of beer.
A beer. Who is drinking beer?
A mosquito and you.
Mosquitoes drinking black beer.
Yeah. Drinking beer in my fish.
Yeah.
And do you know how we got the mosquito bite? Because I am the mosquito.
But what's there, Amma?
This was in the Almara.
Hiding.
I'm on the plate.
What are you cooking? Pork?
Pork adobo.
Oh my god. Full of pork.
And I just had a cup of sugar cane juice that was this big in 5 seconds.
Oh my god, you liked it?
Yes. If that has to do with pork.
Yes.
What
What are you doing, Raj? What are you doing?
Exploring.
Exploring nature?
Yep.
Hey, look, a big butterfly.
Where?
It's just gone. How about you, princess?
This is just came outside and I love these flowers. I think I've seen even better ones. But I think it's closed right now.
There's chilies. Raj, look, this boy is going there.
And I have been found as to be the Miss Universe.
Oh my god.
And Raj is the Mr. Universe.
Oh,
No one can be our beauty.
oh. Close it. Look, there's a crow eating the.
3D.
That's a honey bee hive.
But hives are more 3D.
See, that's what.
How about this
It's
one?
also same.
But hives are more 3D. Coconuts.
Which coconut?
See? There's 4 coconuts.
Miss Lee is cooking. Is cooking. Pork adobo. Let's see.